Greetings RC friends, welcome to Props and Wheels. It is finally time to announce the gift for the 1000 subscriber gift giveaway. This announcement has been a little bit of delayed because, well, first I started a new job, I have been extremely busy lately, and also I had a computer meltdown 2 weeks ago and I had to wipe everything out and then rebuild the whole Windows and all my software programs. So here it is. What I'm giving away is the kit to build this Cessna 182 1200mm plus from Banggood.com. And I think I finally found out the manufacturer of it. It is Topac, T-O-P-A-C-C, Topac. So here it is, folks. This will be the gift. I just opened it up to make sure that nothing is missing inside. Everything is inside, so I'm going to pack this up. It comes in kit form, so you are still going to need 4 servos, a 30 amp ESC, the properly sized motor and propeller, as well as a receiver, battery, and your transmitter. But again, if you watch my previous videos about this wonderful airplane, I really had fun building it. I did not have any issues, nothing was missing. It came together very easily. I will include the links for the unboxing, the detailed assembly. I took my time, I kind of document everything. It's like 45 minutes. The maiden flight in a cold breezy day and a more comfortable flight on a warmer day. All 4 videos down in the description below. And without further ado, here are the rules of this giveaway. Props and Wheels is celebrating reaching over 1000 subscribers by giving away this very nice Cessna 182 Plus 1200mm wingspan 4-channel EPO RC airplane kit from Banggood. You can see the picture on the left hand side, and what you expect to have once you build your kit is on the right hand side. That's my plane that I built from an identical kit. A quick disclaimer. YouTube is not a sponsor of this giveaway. Props and Wheels releases YouTube from any and all liability related to this giveaway. And here is how to enter Props and Wheels giveaway at 1000 subscribers. First, only subscribers of Props and Wheels may enter this giveaway. So if you are not already a subscriber, please subscribe. Second, please note that the main gift of this giveaway, Cessna 182 Plus 1200mm kit from Banggood, is only available to subscribers residing in the US. But don't worry, if you are outside of the US, there will be a consolation gift. 3. In the comments section of this video, type all uppercase Props and Wheels at 1000 subscribers ! And then go to this survey link and answer all 5 questions. Once Props and Wheels reaches 1200 subscribers, we will do a random drawing among all valid entries, and in case the winner of the first drawing is not based in the US, we will have a second drawing only among US based entries to determine the winner of the main gift, the Cessna 182 Plus 1200mm kit. And we will arrange a smaller consolation gift for the winner of the first drawing. Then we'll post the video of the drawing to announce the winner or winners. And finally, we'll contact the winner or winners to arrange the shipment of their gift or gifts. A final disclaimer. Props and Wheels will use any personal data of you collected for this giveaway only for the purpose of the shipping of the gift and will not share this information with any other parties. So I had to make the hard decision of not being able to ship this outside of the United States. I had several issues with the previous gifts. Some of them, they got damaged on their way to their destination, and sometimes it costs so much more than the value of the gift just to ship it overseas. But I'm not going to restrict anybody from entering it. If you enter from a different country and win, I'll make sure that you receive a small gift. And I will do another drawing just for the US entries to determine who is going to get this kit. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Hope to see you on the next video. Please stay tuned for that drawing when we reach 1200 subscribers. Thank you again for your support. Take care. Bye bye.